Hello, and welcome on our farm. Today we are on our kitchen. We are inside. It's siesta time here. It's very hot outside, so it's a good time to dry tomatoes, to dry pastas, to dry stuff outside. So it's me, it's Fabio.
And Anarella.
So we are very excited today because what we are going to do, the recipe that we are going to make will be with this beautiful vegetable, with cucuzza. So cucuzza is part of Sicilian tradition. It's part of our soul. So we used to cook in different way. We use all part of this vegetable, also leaves. Today we are concentrated to prepare something using only this part.
Cucuzza.
So the vegetable. So, and we really enjoy to be part of this project where we know that there are other farmers like us. I like to say always introduce ourselves like farmers and not chef. We cook for people when people come here in our farm, of course, but what we are farmers. This is why what we propose is just simple recipes, part of our tradition that often are made with few ingredients. So we focus more about the quality of product. So we really enjoy to be part of this project because we know there are farmers close to you that work very well and grow cucuzza. They are growing cucuzza there. So you have this possibility, and our support can give to you some recipes. Today will be the I think is the basic recipe that is called the cucuzza in umido, that can be used for different things. So hope you enjoy. We start giving the ingredients.
Here are the ingredients. We need some olive oil, black pepper, salt, tomatoes is around 300 grams, 2 potatoes, 1 onions, and the queen, the cucuzza. Clean the potatoes.
Okay. So this is the time when it's quite ready. If you have a fork, you can check the potatoes. And this is the time where you can use this recipe doing different things. For example, you can just open an egg and leave for 4 or 5 minutes, or just you can cook some pasta on it. Of course, a shape of pasta for this kind of soup, because will be a soup, it's just a tiny little pasta. It's in Italian pastina, that you can maybe adding a little bit of water more if you want to cook pasta inside, and that's it. Okay, the recipe is ready. So now it's time to season just some pepper. You can add some cheese on top. You can grate some cheese, or Parmigiano, or a sharp pecorino maybe can be better. So hope you enjoy the video, and goodbye.
Buon
Ciao.
appetito!